This one will be very quick but very useful. One thing that we often do is we check a value, is it null? And what this nodes mean is that it checks if the object is not null and it's not pending to kill. And when we doesn't make this check, sometimes your game can crash if the value of this object is null. What null means is the absence of a value. It's a kind of special value used in software development to designate an object that has no value defined. So when you don't have a value defined, it doesn't know what to do. And often what we do is we get this object. Right now it is this data table, and for example, if at row number 2 there is nothing in our sword, our game could crash if we don't check for that. So how we do it is right click and we do is valid, and we hit here on the question mark is valid. We connect our object, event begin play will execute is valid, and when our object is not null, we're gonna continue our game, and when it's null, we're gonna send, let's say there is no sword or pocket knife is missing or something like this. But you're adding here another block and you need two connections in order to do this. A great and easy way to do it is just right click on your variable and convert to validated get. And when you convert it to validated get and connect it like that, it will do automatically the check. And when the check is done, is valid, let's say here in the print string, we have our sword, we have our pocket knife, and when it's not valid, we're gonna do our pocket knife is missing. So this will simplify your blueprints and it will save you additional connections. If you enjoyed any of the videos on this channel and if you're a fan, could you do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button? Surprisingly, 85% of the people who watched my videos are unsubscribed. Your quick action of hitting that subscribe button will support this channel, and as it grows, we will be able to share even more free content with you.